Hey, it's James Nicholson from rocketmarketinghub.com, and today I want to talk about the power of video in your business. Now, video is really effective medium for all types of business. You could be an estate agent, a plumber, a butcher, a baker, a candlestick maker, a life coach. Whatever it is that you do, you need to be using video in your business, because the video medium is going to get impactful messages across to your prospects, people that you want to work with very, very, very quickly. They're going to be able to get to know you quicker, get to know, like, and trust you that little bit quicker by using video rather than using email and messages and stuff like that. Now, there's various different places you can use video. You could do a pre-recorded video, which this one is here, that I'll be posting on various different social media outlets. Also, you could use this as a Facebook Live, so you could do a Facebook Live. That could be another medium that you use video on as well. So think about how you can use video in your business. It's a really, really effective way to get people to know, like, and trust you that little bit quicker, to give massive value and to position yourself as the go-to expert. So that's it from me. We're just up the Rockefeller right now. We're going to be heading up to the top of the rock outside any second now. See you soon, guys. Bye-bye.